Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today's video is going to be extra special because we had the amazing opportunity to meet our fellow Sri Lankan YouTube bloggers Dan and Devni right here at Saltwell Park. Today we are taking you on a virtual tour of one of the most beautiful parks in the United Kingdom, Saltwell Park.
Welcome to our channel, Travel with Cubs.
The park is situated in Gateshead, England. This 55-acre green paradise offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical charm. So let's dive right into our exploration.
He likes you. He likes you.
So fluffy.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh.
There's a book on her.
The iconic Saltwell Towers in the distance immediately capture our attention. The park was first opened to the public in 1876 thanks to the vision of industrialist William Wales, and it has been a beloved destination ever since. Walking through Saltwell Park feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The beautifully landscaped gardens with their vibrant flower beds and perfectly manicured lawns provide a peaceful escape from bustling city life. Now we can't miss mentioning Saltwell Towers. This magnificent mansion turned museum is a true architectural gem. Built in the style of a French chateau, it houses a fascinating collection of art and historical artifacts. Saltwell Park also hosts a variety of events throughout the year, from music festivals and outdoor theatre performances to art exhibitions, food fairs, a fantastic fireworks display on bonfire night. Its vibrant hub of cultural activities bring the community together and offering something new and exciting for everyone to enjoy. It's important to mention the park's amenities. Saltwell Park boasts well-maintained walking paths, convenient parking facilities, and accessible toilets, ensuring that everyone can make the most of their visit. Plus, there's a lovely cafe where you can grab a cup of tea or indulge in a delicious treat while taking in the park's beauty. As you enter the rose garden, you'll notice the dormant rose bushes patiently waiting their time to shine. Look over there. The familiar jingle of the ice cream van has caught the attention of our cubs. Their eyes light up and their smiles grow wider as they realize what's about to happen. It's as if all their dreams have come true. Saltwell Park is more than just a pretty picture. It's a hub of activity and a place where memories are made. Families and friends can be seen engaging in all sorts of recreational activities, from picnicking on the expansive lawns to playing games and sports in designated areas. And let's not forget about the adorable children's play area, where little ones can unleash their boundless energy. And here we have the stunning lake, the centerpiece of Saltwell Park. With its crystal clear waters, reflecting the surrounding trees and wildlife. It's a sight to behold. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the lake's edge, or simply sit back and take in the serene atmosphere. In the summer, the lake comes alive with pedal boats, rowing boats and inflatables available to hire. As you step into the maze, take a moment to feel the thrill of the unknown. And when you start walking, trust your instincts and follow the winding paths. Remember, every turn holds a mystery, and every dead end presents an opportunity to discover something new. Remember, life is like a maze full of challenges and surprises. Well, that concludes our virtual tour of Saltwell Park. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into one of the United Kingdom's hidden treasures. If you ever find yourself in Gateshead, be sure to pay a visit to the enchanting park. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Travel with Cubs, and hit that notification bell to join us on more exciting adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi everyone. ඕගලන් කොහමද? හොඳින් ඉන්නවද?
අපිත් හොඳින් අද අපි මේ අපේ අලුත් යාළුවෝ හම්බුණාද Saltwell Park වල. අපි අපේ වීඩියෝස් වලට මේගොල්ලන්වත් දානවා ඊට පස්සේ
In the future.
in the future we'll all meet again.